Leak stopper is a very fast-setting cement-based product that is designed to stop the flow of water through small holes or large cracks in concrete walls or masonry units. Since leak stoppers set so quickly, it is best to mix only small amounts by hand. Add 1 part water to the mixing container first, then add 3 parts leak stopper. Mix using a small trowel for about a minute. The mix will be very fluid initially, but will stiffen rapidly. Then scoop up the mix in your gloved hands and work it back and forth from one hand to the other until it begins to stiffen. In this application, leak stopper is being used to plug a hole with an active water leak. Once the mix has begun to stiffen, force a large amount of leak stopper into the hole. You want to overfill the hole and the surrounding area. Allow the mix to harden for another minute or two, and then, using the trowel, scrape off all excess material. By using a trowel and then a wet rag, you can remove all excess material, leaving the patch flush with the surface. When the wall dries, it can be painted.